Hey, it's Kate with DJ's Painting and Remodeling, here to show you part 1 of our latest project. The first step in this addition remodel was to maximize the space, so we finished off this area that used to be part of the deck to now be part of the home. In addition to adding on to the space, we also optimized what was already here by increasing the size of the windows to add in more light. We moved the existing fireplace to a new wall and also updated it with a fresh coat of paint and a new tile. To tie together the existing space with the new, we installed this massive island to act as a focal point as well as added entertainment space. The island is complete with a brand new ice maker, new outlets with USB ports, and a brand new stainless steel sink and faucet. Moving to the basement, we added on this functioning workout space that used to be part of the back patio. We built this wall to separate the space and created a new private guest bedroom. In the guest bedroom, we added some closet storage to optimize the space. That concludes part 1 of this addition remodel. If you want to see the work we did on the deck, stay tuned for part 2.